Oh, hickory dickory dock, I'm watching the clock, let's count my seconds down. But every hour that amounts up to my future need, but my presence now. X amount of times on my hands left like grand theft, taken away, placed in a cage, waiting for days, slave to the ways of an age. But I try to stay clean when a heartache is, said it may change me, but I can't change it. Whipped, trapped in the grip of a pitiful moment, a cosmate fits, I slip in middle, free time killer, opportunity for me slipper, way in a haze of day-to-day hiccups, not just in a place ready for pickups. So with or without it, it seems to me y'all sitting here doubting, but forget about it, time is ours and we claim it, and now let's go. I hear my time ticking down as the world goes around. I hear my time ticking down as the world goes around. I hear my time ticking down as the world goes around. Land of the giants, clash of the titans, man versus science, stand in the pious, stand in defiance, add to the riots, anger and violence, ambulance sirens, with time just keep spinning it, swing back and forth like pendulums, and then begin to take a seat and wait and see what the day can bring. Linear lines from A to B, tick tick on, that's the way it seems, and some will drink it or smoke it or lose it, any way they can we gladly pass it by, thrown to the wind left asking why, we part with time like a grand exchange, and think for the now, don't play next day, just go. I hear my time ticking down as the world goes around. I hear my time ticking down as the world goes around. Peace, love, war, hate, crossing calendars of dates, work, eat, sleep, play, wait to see another day, live fast, die young, past is gone, what's done is done, tick tock, live for the minute I got on my watch, I roll with the masses, home of the fascists, this my home where I soak in the madness, identity, everybody wanna go where the cash is, man living, man prison, life behind bars, we doing our time, losing our lives, set it in stone, as our time will go.
Any fancies chocolatitle, they gotta deserve it.
Are you going to drink a pint, mate?
I don't drink dregs.
Are you going to drink a pint?
No dregs, no.
Are you going to drink someone's pint, though?
No
You're going to drink your pint?
I'm the title holder. Fancy chocolatitle, deserve the chocolatitle. Don't come to me. Don't come to me thinking you're gonna have a shot at the title. You
Guys, can I just interrupt? Can I just ask you, when you see this guy, what is the first thing that comes to mind when you see this guy?
He's not well.
Hello mate, so yeah, this is Daniel Phelps. What do you think when you see that man's face?
Yeah, maybe his wife would be lucky.
Lucky? Oh, okay. Yeah, definitely very lucky. Anything else springs to mind when you see that horrible face?
I hope they will get some nice little shrimps.
Okay, nice little shrimps. He's got a little shrimp, hasn't he?
I say, has Dan been a good friend? Dan, you, Wayne, Pay. Dan, Wayne, Pay.